Hi guys, how are you? After a decade, no, not a decade, after 3 months, I am online right now and I have started my work on UHRS. So, the first hit app I'm going to start is representative image version 2. This hit app is very interesting hit app. Here you have to compare these two parts like this part and this part. You can see here that there is an image. A soldier get trained by another soldier, and we have a web page. If you can't see the web page within this frame, then you just need to click on this link and it will open the web page in a separate tab. So I can see that this is a VOA learning English web page, and the topic is American history. US declares war on Japan, Germany and Italy. So first of all you need to read this. You need to understand the intent of this web page. The web page's intent is the history of American soldiers in they declared war on Japan, Germany, Italy, and you can see here we are in the main content. Main content starts from this title. So this picture is within the main content, but this related, you can see here related articles. These are not part of the main content. Main content is this part. So you need to find whether the image shown here is within the main content. Yes, you can see that it is within the main content. You can see that an American soldier is in training, and whether it is related to the title or topic or intent of the web page. So I can see that here you can remember that here is the topic is American history. It is declares war, and this is a image. This is an image where you can see that one soldier is get trained by another soldier, and you can also see this caption: an American soldier is training. So yes, it is within the main content and it is related with the title or intent or topic of the web page. So yes, this image represent this web page. That is the relationship. So you have to click the yes radio button and you need to click on submit and your job is done. Right, now the next page. So the next page is about Lucas Steel. uh, I'm closing the previous web page and I'm opening the new web page, Lucas Steel, and you can see the picture of Lucas Steel here. It is a Wikipedia page, and just okay, you can click on this image for your reference and just look at the image and try to find this image in this web page. So basically it is a biography of an American or actor model Lucas Daniel Teal, and let's find the image within the main content. Okay, so you can see that it is this picture is here, and you can see Teal at the San Diego Comic Con International July 23rd of 2011. So it is like younger picture of Lucas Teal. So yes, it is within the main page, within the main portion of the page, and it is related with the topic of the web page, which is the biography of Lucas Steele. And yes, this boy is Lucas Steele. So yes, it satisfies both, uh, like it is a part of the main content, and it is related with the main topic of the web page or intent of the web page, right? So yes, I choose this yes, and I need to click on submit button, and my job is done. Now you have to um, repeat that algorithm to find specified image within this web page. You just need to click. I am clicking this link, and this page is now open in another tab. When we choose image or page didn't load, when we can't see any image in it, we just need to select this image or page and didn't load. And when no, you can see the guidelines here also. If there is an icon or logo image here, like this logo here, then we choose no. But if this is a profile page, like a LinkedIn profile of some candidate, then we need to click yes. Otherwise we need to click no if it is a logo or of a company. And if this image is not within the main intent, main content, and it is not related with the topic of the page, then we need to choose this no, right? So start doing this job, guys, and you can earn 8 cents here. This is the lease expiry, right? So thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can press the like button. You just need to share this video to your friends and colleagues, and you just need to put your valuable comments in the comment section. If you have any questions regarding this, I am also doing this hitapp, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel. Thank you again for watching this, and have a great day ahead.